Let's turn this into a stencil. I see stencils as a map. A roadmap what indicates a change. By a change I mean something starts and finishes. For example, the chest is there, but it finishes here. So I'll make a line work which indicates that it's finishing there. But then it has this detail here which also indicate it's there. And then let's say there's the shape which we also indicate that there is a shape. And so does here, a shape is here. Then we have a color change. So here we have change of light and dark, which we indicate. Now we can see that we're going to shade here till this line. And then from here till here, we're going to leave it white. And then downwards, we're going to shade more, as in downwards. This line here will indicate that there's this shape. There's number 9, which we also outline, indicating that we're going to shade from this to here in shading quite dark. I have all this on a different layer. So there's a layer for her and layer for stencil. This is layer for stencil. And that's her without any stencil.